I'm Stan Mayer. I'm the general manager here at AAR Oklahoma City. Well, the AAR MRO, does aircraft maintenance overhaul, help get the airplanes in and out and delivered.
My name is Demario Cooper, and I'm a sheet metal mechanic for AAR. Growing up, I've been working with my hands, working on cars with my uncles and, stepfathers. So once I graduated high school, I started working in a warehouse job, and then I was just kind of thinking I kind of this isn't necessarily going to be a career job for me. I was choosing between either auto mechanic or the sheet metal. I decided to go with the sheet metal because it was something different, something totally new. I was working a full-time job and going to school at Francis Tuttle full-time, and it was the best decision I've ever made. At Francis Tuttle, you kind of learn the basics and the fundamentals as far as the type of tools you use and how to remove and install a variety of fasteners. But then once you actually get on the job, it's different when you're actually working on the plane. You definitely learn something new every day. It's definitely improved my quality of life.
I'm Haley Greeno, and I am an A&P lead at AAR. Tech school, it was fast-paced, it was to the point. You kind of got the basics of, your physics, math. It was a fast pace, but you learned as much as you did for years of schooling. And then just the very basics of what we do. So you got out here and you're kind of prepared for what you did on a heavy maintenance atmosphere. The very basics of it, the groundwork to where you kind of felt confident in what you were doing, and then you got to learn your aircraft.
It actually sounds pretty cool when people ask you, what do you do for a living? And I'm an aircraft mechanic, I work on airplanes. I would recommend, high schoolers, dropouts, GEDs. If you kind of don't really know what direction you want to go or what path in life, to succeed, you're definitely going to have to get a trade. Why not get it in the industry that's booming and advancing, the aviation industry? I mean, you never know what you'll fall in love with and what you'll like doing and develop a passion for unless you try it.
I think that's something that got lost in the schools over the last 15 years, is there's people out there that want to use their hands and get to work. So I just think it's another option for people who want to get right out there and make a living.